The Stevtensioner is a tool designed to make the installation of mooring spreads more efficient. It can be used to proof-load drag embedment anchors, driven piles, suction anchors, and even quayside bollards. Its design is based on the principle that when a vertical load is applied to a taut horizontal cable, it will generate greater horizontal reaction forces at the foundations. Compared to the conventional bollard pull method, the Stevtensioner can generate higher horizontal loads. The required vertical pulling force only needs to be 40% of the horizontal pre-tension load. This enables mooring spreads to be installed from smaller and less advanced vessels. Vertical loads generated by a crane or winch are also easier to control than loads from bollard pull. When lifted, the Stevtensioner locks onto the active chain and lifts the mooring spread off the seabed, which pulls the anchor legs inwards. When lowered, the slack chain is passed through the Stevtensioner, maintaining a taut horizontal line for the next heave. This repetitive cycle applies tension across the mooring spread, providing an accurate, controllable proof load. The integral load pin measurement is transmitted to the surface and recorded on the vessel. The Stevtensioner can be used to make installations more efficient in 3 ways. Firstly, in symmetrical mooring patterns, 2 opposite anchor legs can be tensioned at the same time. Secondly, for systems that use a single anchor or non-symmetrical mooring patterns, a reaction anchor can be used to create tension in the opposite mooring line. Thirdly, when the spread is made up of equally spaced mooring lines, a 3-way tensioning system can be used, reducing the overall installation time. The Stevtensioner can apply loads of up to 1,250 tons and can be used with chain or wire mooring lines of any size. There are several advantages that the Stevtensioner has over alternative anchoring tools. Compared to conventional installation methods, the Stevtensioner can reduce the number of proof load operations by up to 50%. The required applied load, and hence winch capacity, is reduced significantly, meaning that smaller, more cost-effective vessels can be used. Also, less vessels are needed to get the job done. In total, the Stevtensioner can reduce the cost of installing anchors on the seabed by as much as 40%. The tool is portable and lightweight, so can also be airlifted. If you're used to traditional equipment rental services, the benefits of working with Vryhof will be immediately clear. We provide engineering, hardware, and supervision as a standard package. The Stevtensioner by Vryhof, enabling installations.